my dear students, hope you are all well. Today I welcome you in my channel Eduscope. Now I am going to discuss the different parts of microscope, as well as you will know how to use this compound microscope. Microscope is an instrument by which we can see any minute things, and it is very much essential for the student of biology. Microscope was invented by a scientist JANZEN. Microscope was invented by JANZEN in the year 1590. Now you just see, this is a compound microscope. Why it is called compound? Because here the things is magnified by the combination of two lenses. One is here, one is here. That's why it is called compound microscope. There is another simple microscope where things are magnified by only one lens. That's why that is called simple microscope, and it is called compound microscope because here the things are magnified by the combination of two lenses. One is here, another is here. The parts of microscope are divided into two groups. One is mechanical parts, another is optical parts. Now I am coming one by one about mechanical parts. You just see here, the first one is base. First one is base. This is called base. This portion is called base. This is base. By that base, this microscope stands on. Now the second one is arm. This portion is called arm. This portion is called arm. And third one is C, body tube. This portion is called body tube. This is body tube. This is body tube. Next comes inclination point. Inclination point. What is that? Here, just here you see inclination point by which we can tilt the microscope for our convenience. For our convenience, we can tilt this one with the help of this inclination screw or point. Next comes stage. This is stage. You see this square portion, it is stage on which we can keep slides. And you know, these are clips. These are clips to hold the slide. It is useful to hold the slide on the stage. Next comes coarse adjustment screw and fine adjustment screw. This one is coarse or rough adjustment screw by which we can take this body tube up and down. So this is called coarse and rough adjustment screw to bring the material in focus of the lens. After focusing this one with rough adjustment screw, we have to use fine adjustment screw. This is fine adjustment screw. So this fine adjustment screw is helpful to see the thing clearly. Next I am coming optical parts. Optical parts include mirror, eyepiece or ocular lens, objective lens and diaphragm. Now come here, you just see first one is mirror. This is mirror. This is useful to reflect light because we know that without light we cannot see with anything. Characteristics of this mirror is plano-concave. One side plane, another side concave. When moonlight is there, we use plane side, and when less light is there, we use concave mirror so that light should be converged over there. This is the number one. Number two is ocular lens or eyepiece. Here you see it is ocular lens or eyepiece. It's keeping over here. It may be 10x or 15x. It may be 10x or 15x. Next comes over here. This portion is called objective. This portion is called objective lens. These portion are called total objective. These are lens called objective lens. 1, 2. One is 10x, another is 45x. One is low power, another is high power. Next comes another optical part is diaphragm. Another optical part is diaphragm. Just you see there it is diaphragm. You can see it is opening and closing. It is opening and closing. It acts as pupil of our eyes. When more light is there, we can keep it this way. When less light is there, we can widen the aperture. Through this aperture, light passes into the slide. This is diaphragm. So in optical parts, we find mirror, eyepiece or ocular lens, objective lens and diaphragm. So I think you have come to know the different parts of microscope. Now you will learn how to see this slide under microscope or how to adjust this slide under microscope. Now first step is you have to see that light source, either sunlight diffused or any other electric light source, and this light should fall in the mirror. That we have to see. And before that we have to take the, there is low power, another is high power. First of all we have to rotate the objective, and there should be a sound, click sound, and fix the low power lens over here. First of all we have to fix low power lens over here, and by rotating the mirror we can see through the ocular lens and we will find a round white patch will come, and that is very much bright. Then we can see it is in the straight line, or mirror is deflecting light. Now we have to keep the slide and see where the specimen is present. This is a slide of dicot stem, and I am going to see this slide under microscope. Then we have to keep this slide on the stage and with the help of clip, fix it with the help of clip over here. Now we can fix this one, the portion in the middle of this aperture of the stage, and see this one with the help of ocular lens. After keeping the slide on the stage, we have to rotate this coarse adjustment screw so that body tube should come down. Body tube should come down and it will come in a focus. When we see something in this come in the focus, when we see something in the lens over here, then we have to adjust this fine adjustment screw to see it more clearly. So in this way we can find the main object, what is present in the slide nicely. So this microscope is helpful to magnify the object or the cell or the minute things which are very much essential for the biology students. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for staying with us for a long time. And if you like this video, so please share it and subscribe my channel Eduscope. Thank you very much.